Ever wished you could snag that must-have item without emptying your wallet right away? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use your Sezzle virtual card to buy now and pay later at almost any online store. First things first, open your Sezzle app and locate the Sezzle card tab. While it usually looks like a little card icon, tap it to bring your virtual card details to the forefront. Now activate your Sezzle virtual card. You'll see your virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV. It's just like a regular credit card, but specifically for online Sezzle purchases. Keep in mind each card can be linked to a single retailer at a time. Head to the online store where you want to make your purchase. At the checkout page, fill out the payment details using the Sezzle virtual card information from your app, while the card number, expiry date, and CVV, just like you would with any other credit card. After you complete your purchase, Sezzle will split the total cost into 4 easy, interest-free installments. You'll see your payment schedule in the Sezzle app, clearly displaying the due dates for each installment. Managing your payments is super easy in the Sezzle app. You can view your upcoming payments, reschedule a payment if needed, fees may apply, or even make early payments to pay off your balance faster. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your purchase while paying it off responsibly with Sezzle. Happy shopping!